Imagine transforming your business's SMS communication with instant, intelligent responses powered by ChatGPT. SMS Mobile API makes it easy and effective. To start, download and install the SMS Mobile API app. Then, log into the dedicated dashboard where you can connect to ChatGPT. Simply enter your ChatGPT API key, and if desired, customize your experience by selecting a personalized ChatGPT assistant. Customers can send messages directly to your business, and SMS Mobile API will forward these to ChatGPT for instant responses, all configured to your unique needs. With a personalized ChatGPT assistant, you can provide accurate, engaging responses that align perfectly with your brand. SMS Mobile API and ChatGPT offer efficient, automated customer interactions around the clock. Whether answering questions, confirming appointments, or handling support, it's all done effortlessly. Ready to engage your customers like never before? Download SMS Mobile API, connect with ChatGPT, and experience the power of AI-driven SMS communication.